Hello students. Today, we're going to explore how to find the length of common tangents between circles, and by the end, you'll be able to solve problems that even puzzle competitive exam students. So first let's look at types of common tangents. 1. Direct common tangent, DCT. A straight line that touches the circles in such a way that the circles lie on same side of it. 2. Transverse common tangent, TCT. A straight line that touches the circles in such a way that the circles lie on opposite sides of it. Now let's dive into each one by one. Imagine two non-intersecting circles placed side by side. Let their radii be R1 and R2. Let the distance between their centers be D. And you are drawing a straight line that touches both circles from the outside. This is called a direct common tangent. Like a rope just brushing past both tires without cutting between them. Let's join both the center to the points where tangent touching the circles. Now drop a perpendicular from B to radius PA meeting at a point M, which forms the rectangle PQBM. Let length PQ be L, then length of BM is also L since PQBA is rectangle. Let's consider triangle AMB, which is a right-angled triangle in which sides AM is equal to R1 minus R2, AB is D and BM is L. Now in right-angled triangle ABM, using Pythagoras theorem d square is equal to L square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. Which implies L equals to square root of d square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. Which is the length of direct common tangent of given circles. Now let's dive into a special case of direct common tangents when two circles touch externally. Let the radii of two circles be R1 and R2. Since the circles touch externally, the distance between their centers is D equals to R1 plus R2. We already know the general formula for the length of the direct common tangent, so let's plug this value of D and further solving it. Therefore, the final result is 2 times of square root of R1 into R2. In this segment we are going to discuss about length of transverse common tangent to two circles. First let's see, what is a transverse common tangent? Let's imagine two separate circles, maybe placed a little apart, like wheels on a track. You draw a line that touches both circles, but passes between them, like a tightrope between two balloons. That line is called a transverse common tangent or internal common tangent. Let radii of two circles are R1 and R2 and distance between the is D. Let's do some construction. Extend line BQ such that QC is equal to R1. Now draw a perpendicular from center A to BC meeting it at C. As a result we get a rectangle APQC in which length PQ is equal to AC and equal to, let's say, L, so we need to find L here. Look at the triangle ACB, which is right-angled, and we know AB equals to D. BC equals to R1 plus R2 and need to find L, so we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ACB, apply Pythagoras theorem and solve to find L, length of TCT. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is JEE Maths Unlocked, where concepts click, doubts disappear, and success is just a video away. Unlock your potential, one concept at a time. See you in the next video.